Welcome to the introduction of SciLab. We have completed the installation of SciLab. Now we are in the basic of SciLab, the first day of that. Here is the startup window of the SciLab. This is the SciLab 6.1.0 console. This is the variable browser. Whatever variable you will introduce will be appeared here. This is the command history. Whatever command you will give, that will be stored here. And this is the news feed. Step by step we will learn each and everything. Here you are having this as a shortcut to launch the SciNotes. Here is to the open files. Here to cut, copy and paste. Here is to clear all the data from the console. Here this is to print whatever you are having in the SciLab console. This is the module manager. This is whatever processing is going on, the corresponding data is how much used. This is for the SciLab preferences. If you want to change the font size and all, that is available here. See, this is the font size, these are the fonts and all. You can replace if you want. This is for the colors. This colors style you can change from here. The other things are available there. This is SciLab demonstration. You can get demonstration from there. This is the file menu. This is edit menu. This is control menu, and here are few applications. Here again you can get the variable browser, command history and file browser from this also. Whatever shortcuts directly available here you can use there. And here is the SciLab help. Let me open and explain you what is there. It will take a time to open that. Till that we start the introduction of variables. For example, if you want to direct the value a1 plus 2, answer is 3. See, the default it will store the command whatever you have given here, that is 1 plus 2 is here 1 plus 2 and answer is 3. And since SciLab itself stores this ANS as a variable, so ANS answer is 3, that is stored. Now if you want to use that variable, you can directly write ANS is equals to ANS times 2. I want to multiply the answer by 2 times. So now ANS is 3 times 2, that is 6, and it is stored ANS as 6. Now see, ANS value is now 6. So you can use this way the answer whenever you want. You can store answers directly. For example, if you want A is equals to 1 plus 2, then write the command A is equals to 1 plus 2. And in that case, it will display that A is equals to 3 now. That is here. If you want to perform the operation A is equals to 1 plus 2 and not want output like this, it is displaying, then just press A is equals to 1 plus 2 with this semicolon and press the enter. It will store A is equals to the answer, but it will not display the answer as appearing here. Okay, now store the other variable B is equals to, for example, 2. So answer B is equals to now 2. It is also displaying here. Now if I want to change this value, you can double click here. See here, it is stored as large matrix, but the first entry is 2 and all the other entries are 0, and it is appearing like Excel sheet. If you want to change this entry, just replace the values there. And now that variable B's value is 5. See here, now it is changed. Just close it and you can see that it is now 5. Even let me store C is equals to 1, and I want to change this C is equals to 1 by 2 cross 2 matrix, for example. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, and just as I stop this process and close it, See, now C is no more 1, it is 1, 2, 3, 4 matrix. Let me check. C, and just press C and you will get the resulting value as whatever C's value is stored. Okay, now again you want to insert this matrix by your own. See here, you can see how this matrix is entered. That is bracket 1 2 semicolon 3 4. So if I want to store that values here, let me write by myself, that is 1 2 1 comma 2 semicolon 3 comma 4, and it will store that. The same process, but see, first thing that by just pressing up keys you can get the previous command, and if I want to change this, I can do the change in there also. Here I am removing this comma. What happens there? Let's see. The resulting matrix is same. So just space is stored as a comma, means whenever you are keeping spaces, there is no need to write the comma. Even if you are not keeping space and just writing comma, then also it will be stored the same matrix. So you can use this way to deal with the situations, means entering the corresponding matrices. See, now if I want to change this matrix, for example here entry I am writing 5, and just closing this, means not doing the other thing, automatically this matrix, this entry will be stored and it is 0. For example, I am entering 2 here. All the other entries, to make this as matrix, other entries will be automatically stored as 0. Okay, and just press close and see what is D. Now it is appearing there directly. So this is the one way to insert a matrix, that is, first way was and insert the matrix and in the variable browser enter the values and close it. That is the one way. The second way was writing this way, that is bracket 1 comma 2 semicolon 3 comma 4, means whatever entries you want, and just press enter, you will get that matrix. And the third one is without that comma, just press the spaces. Okay, so this session we are stopping here. Thank you, and try inserting variables by your own, and if you are having a difficulty, ask me. Thank you again.